1, 2, and 3. Don't push the stop button. Don't push the stop button. Always say.
That's okay.
Bell is a stop button. The bell is a stop button. I am not pushing the bell button. Nope. Oh, now I'll go to 3. Now I'll go into 3. Whenever's that. Whenever's that might be.
3.
That's 3. Look like.
Mm-hmm.
I only do it 1 time.
No, Jake still gets to go all the way down.
2 and 1. Look, yeah, 2, 3. Move the buttons. Oh, where 2? Wait. Now. We're going back to 1. We're going back to 1. Yes. Going back to 1.
Hey, Brody. Here we are.
Now